how to block spam emails on Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can block spam emails on Gmail, and this is how to go about it. The first step is to sign into your Google account, of course, and launch the Gmail app. Once you're on the Gmail app, the next step is for you to open the mail that you want to block. Then after opening the email, I about to the email interface, move to the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots that you can see there. And amongst the options displayed, ensure you select report spam, and then in the box displayed, select report spam. And then by reporting spam, the email would be blocked, and also it should be reported, and you will be automatically unsubscribed from that particular email. So this is how you can block spam emails on Gmail. It's very simple. If the email is found in the spam folder, just click on the three horizontal lines by the top left corner, then click on spam, and then open up the spam email, move to the top right corner, click on the three vertical dots, and you'll see the option for you to block there. So this is how you can go about it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.